Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this I'm going to talk about the price details about the Realme GT Neo 2, how you can actually buy for about 24,999 rupees. Yes friends, just before I did upload a video as well on this Realme GT Neo 2 on the same topic, but what has happened is that in the Flipkart website, few of the offers has been changed. Yes, that's a reason why I'm trying to make this video, and few of the users I thought of updating this kind of thing as well, so they will be prepared before they actually plan to buy this Realme GT Neo 2. So first thing is that you can actually buy for the 24,999, but there is some kind of conditions which you need to satisfy if you want to buy for 25,000 rupees. So first thing is that let me show you exactly. So starting price of this phone will be about 31,999. That's kind of perfect. If you try paying any kind of prepaid card, so discount on the prepaid transaction, any kind of debit or credit card, you do get 3,000 rupees discount, instant discount will be there. So from 32,000 the price comes down to 29,000. So 29,000 the price will come down for the Realme GT Neo 2, and there will be additional extra discount on the exchange which will be 2,000 rupees off. So if you're planning to apply for any kind of exchange offer, so if you're planning to do the like that, you do get the 2,000 rupees extra off on the exchange. And if you use the bank discount, the main reason why I'm mentioning this bank discount is because during this promotion sale, we do know the SBI offer is going on during this big Diwali sale, as you can clearly see friends. So there will be SBI offer, which is a bank offer which is going on, which is an instant discount 10%. So maybe in that way you'll be able to get the 2% rupees off using the bank discount. Because here it's kind of shocking that they did not mention any kind of bank discount. I mean SBI or Kotak Bank, because right now there is another bank's offers also going on. They should have mentioned at least the bank offer, which bank it is at least. So before, the sales used to be really good. I mean in terms of mentioning, the Realme used to clearly mention what is happening, but it feels some kind of gimmick at this moment. I'm not sure, but hopefully there may be charges that SBI bank offers may be working on this 2,000 rupees extra off. So only in this way you'll be able to get the mobile phone for about 25,000 rupees. So before the update, this used to be the exact price details. So before, so right now it got updated, but before it used to be these are the price details exactly, as you can see. Selling price and discount on the prepaid or on exchange. So 3,000 you used to get off, again 2,000, again 2,000. In this way it used to be there, but right now it's only applicable for the 3,000 extra on prepaid. So this is the revised price details about the Realme GT Neo 2 in the Flipkart website. So I think if you want to buy, you can buy in the Realme store. Maybe they're using the ICICI Bank. If you have the ICICI Bank, you can straightly buy their credit card. You can get 5,000 discount and 2,000 worth of Realme coins. So 2,000 rupees worth, not 2,000 Realme coins, 2,000 rupees worth. So you can actually buy any other product from the Realme store in case if you want to buy. But if you want to use the Flipkart website, you can get this kind of offers. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.